Join us in this special introduction episode of Animal Academy, where you'll meet our 5 incredible friends: Cleo the cat, Duke the dog, Ella the elephant, Leo the lion, and Holly the horse. Each animal will introduce themselves and share a little about their unique qualities.
Hi there, I'm Cleo the cat. I'm quick, clever, and love to solve puzzles. My favorite thing is to explore and find hidden treasures. I can't wait to go on adventures with you.
Greetings. I'm Leo the lion, the courageous leader of the group. I'm brave and always ready for a challenge. Together, we'll tackle anything that comes our way and learn so much along the journey.
Hey everyone, I'm Duke the dog. I'm loyal, enthusiastic, and always ready to help my friends. I love playing games and discovering new things. Let's have some fun together.
Hi, I'm Holly the horse. I'm fast, friendly, and love to run free. I enjoy exploring new places and making new friends. I can't wait to share exciting adventures with all of you.
Hello friends, I'm LA the elephant. I'm strong and wise, and I love learning about how things work. With my big ears, I hear all sorts of interesting things. Join me as we uncover the wonders of the world.